in order to access Moodle, I could directly type in the web address, which is elearning.ume.ac.ug, and that will take me there. Alternatively, under academics, on the website, which is umu.ac.ug, under academics, I could go to e-learning and click. That will also take me to the e-learning website. So I can log in using either this button or this one, and I key in my username and password. These are given to you by the Moodle administrator. So some people already have accounts on Moodle, but they've forgotten their passwords. So what you do, you click forgot username and password. And this will take you to this page where you can put your email, the one that you use to register. So when you click search and your email is recognized by the system, you get this message that if you supply the correct username and email address, then an email should be sent to you. So this is a link that is sent to your email so that you can be able to reset your password. So this is the email you get. When you click, see there's a link here which is valid for 30 minutes. When you click this, you will be taken to a page where you'll be able to reset your password. So my username is michael.mutebi, and I could put my password. It should be a fairly good password with at least 6 characters. So this is my new password. When I save, I'm logged in. So this is my dashboard. I have access to my courses. I have a navigation panel on the left, which has access to the site home, and also access to my courses. Currently, I'm enrolled in only one course. That's TESIA L1. This is the course code, and this is the full course name, TESIA Online Facilitation Training. On the right side, I have a timeline. I have a panel here where I can manage private files. I can upload some files into Moodle. Basically, keep the files on Moodle so that I can easily access them. You can be able to see users that are currently online. I happen to be the only one online. So if the other users, they will show up here. I have access to a calendar and upcoming events. There's several other panels that could be here, either on the left or the right. And you have the ability to customize this page to add more panels. So when you click customize this page, you get a sort of editable page with, you see these dotted lines here. You have the ability to move things around. Like for instance, each of these has some cross arrow here, which you can drag. So I've dragged the timeline to the left. I can also drag the badges to the left. I can actually delete this one entirely. So here I could also add more panels. There's a number of panels here that I could choose from. For instance, I could add a global search. We see that it has been added here. I can drag this over to the right side at the very top. It says global searching is not enabled, so we can just take this out. So when I'm done customizing my page, I could say stop customizing this page. So this is my page the way I want it. So to access or to log out, if I want to log out, I go over to my profile here, and when I click on my name, I get a new menu here at the top where I can log out. I could access my dashboard, which is this one. This brings me back to my dashboard. I can access my profile, my messages, and preferences. Look at preferences. So here, under my preferences, I have the ability to change my password. This is something that very many people would like to do, to change the password, to edit my profile. If there's several languages in the system, I could change a preferred language, and also notification preferences. Moodle notifies you about so many things that happen, and you have the ability to choose how you want to be notified and when you want to be notified. You can be notified either on Moodle itself, which is web, or you could be notified via email. So there are situations where you wouldn't want to be bombarded with emails. You can turn some of these things off. For instance, if I'm online, I don't want to be notified by email. So you turn that one off. But if I'm offline and an assignment is given, I would like to be notified by email. So there's so many other notifications here when you subscribe for the forum, feedback notifications, and several others. You can as well just disable all notifications, so you're not notified at all. But we do need notifications. So going back, and by the way, when you click on any of these things, it's automatically saved. So this is automatically saved. So to go back to my course, I will go to course dashboard. I'll go to here. I have, this is the main content area with an image which is put by the course manager, and this is the course content. There are announcements, and these are sections of the course. We have introduction, we have a pre-training, and several other sections. Each section has activities. For instance, we see there's a chat room in most of these sessions. And in the first one, we have a chat, we have a page. These are things we'll be looking at on some pre-training documents. So I have access to this course. The course dashboard gives me some information about the course. I can be able to see the teachers in the course here and their email addresses, so I could send them emails. This is the overview of my course. This is the course name, and this is the brief description. So to be able to view this page, I'll click the link, and then I'll be able to see the page, which is an introduction to the course. When I read through, I go back to my course, to CIL1. Then I can view these pre-training documents. There is a folder with one PDF document in it, training program. When I click, I can download this and open it. So this is the pre-training program, which was uploaded by a teacher. So to go back to my course dashboard, I'll click the CIL1. And then I can get into the chat room. I click to enter the chat room. I can view past chat sessions. These chats we'll look at in detail later on. And back to my course. So I have quick access to courses I'm enrolled in. If I'm enrolled in any other course, they'll all be listed here. So when I'm done, I can log out.